Hey guys, rise and shine. It's a great day for some ELA, and guess what? It's also Friday, so double bonus. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to click on this course card, Language Arts 7C, so we can access dun, 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 the last lesson in the unit, Freak the Mighty Lesson 13, Friday Learning. Click on that, and you'll see task 1 is really simple. It's read the daily learning targets. Task 2 is read chapters 23 to the end of the book. It's only 13 pages. My guess is it's going to take most of you about 10 minutes to finish this book. It goes really fast. Okay, now the last step for today, your final assignment for this unit is your final assessment. And to access it, you're going to click right here, Freak the Mighty Final Exam. But before you get there, I did put together a video that reviews races because the biggest part of this assessment is a races writing task. And that is worth 20 of your 32 points on this assessment. So it's a huge part of the assessment, which is why I highly recommend that you watch the video before you do this assessment. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org today. Otherwise, good luck on that final assessment. Make sure it gets done by the end of the day. It is due before the day is over, okay? So please make sure to get that submitted, get your points, and do a great job. Okay, thanks for your hard work, and we'll see you Monday.